everyone, welcome back to the VideoProc Vlogger channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create the transition from a sketch into a real-life shot. If you're interested in this effect, keep watching. First, open VideoProc Vlogger. Import a clip of a character and place it in the video track. Then drag the playhead to find a suitable frame. Next, split the video from here and click here to take a snapshot of the current frame. Let's bring the picture back into VideoProc Vlogger and delete the first half of the video. Drag the second half of the video to the overlay track and drag it back a bit on the timeline. Then drag the snapshot image we just took to the video track. And also drag another one to the overlay track. Let the picture fit to the screen. Then click on color and adjust the saturation of both pictures to 0. Next, select the clip on your lower overlay track. Changing the blender mode to divide, and the screen will turn white. Then find the transform and adjust the scale and the position values to create an edge effect. Then continue to take a snapshot of this frame. After adding into VideoProc Vlogger, delete the first two clips on the timeline. Then let's import a white paper image, which you can download from the internet or take yourself. Place this photo in the video track and let it fit to the screen. Import the sketch photo obtained just now into the overlay track. Then find the blend mode section and adjust it to multiply. Continue adjusting the size and the position of the image to make it look more natural within the notebook. If you find black borders on a sketch image, click here to enter the crop editor and manually remove them. You can find the color and the filter in the inspector panel. Adjust the values of exposure and the contrast to make the effect better. After completing, let's take a snapshot of this frame again. And delete the first two clips on the timeline. Bring the image we just obtained back into the video track, and then enter the motion editor. Place a keyframe at the far left of the timeline, and let the selection box fit to the screen. Then, at the 2-second position, place a second keyframe and downsize the selection box so that it's the same size as the original. You can use these frames within the image to determine the position. Changing the speed to speed up. And finally, place a keyframe at the far right of the timeline. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Use Ripple Edit to trim the video to around 2 seconds. Find the video clip that we placed in the overlay track earlier. Drag it back to the video track and splice it at the end of this video. Click on the transition at the top left. Find the fade to white and add it between these two video segments. Adjust the duration of the transition. In this way, a transition from sketch to real shot is completed. That's it for today's video. If you want to learn more editing tricks or stay updated with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!